Hello everyone, today I will guide you through the downloading and installing the tier portal and WinCC Unify. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to paste the link in the description. But however, the first link is going to be the download link. I want you to check your system requirement first. So go ahead and copy the second link in the description and paste it into your browser. This step is crucial to ensure that your computer or laptop can handle the software efficiently. So the system or hardware requirement is significantly impact the program performance. For example, the minimum RAM requirement is at 8 GB, but based on my experience, I highly recommend at least 16 GB if you are working on a smaller project. But if possible, aim for the 32 GB for optimal performance, especially for the larger project. Okay, so after you will find that the system requirement is okay with you, you just can go ahead and copy the download link and open it in your browser. Once there, you see that download page. So if you don't have an account, you need to register. Keep in mind that the registration process may take some time and you need to wait for admin confirmation. But if you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, the download is going to be required. You can go ahead and download this file: DVD1 setup, DVD2, DVD3, and 4. I have already highlighted the link, and you can just simply download it. Okay, so once you download these three DVD, DVD1, DVD2, DVD3, and 4, you just go ahead and download. The last one is going to be the S7 PLC SIM. Uh, the download speed will depend on your internet connection. Uh, Small note: for new accounts, you may need to verify your identity, such as confirming if you are part of an organization or educational institution. This process may take a week or more if you face this issue. Alternatively, you can find some source that are available, but I cannot guarantee their functionality. Okay, so I'm not going to paste the link in the description, but you can go ahead and copy this if you don't want to wait. Okay, so next step is going to be organizing. After downloading, move all the files into a single folder. Ensure that you have all 5 files that needed for installation. Compare file name if any are missing. That could be cross-checking. Okay, so the next step is going to be configuring window feature. Before installation, make sure that you complete or check it that I have already checked it for you. You can just go ahead and pause the video here, or if you don't know where to go, where to turn this feature off or on, you can listen to me for the next few minutes, and you can come back here again and pause the video here. Okay, so uh, open your control panel and go to the program and feature, turn window feature off or on. Enable the necessary option as listed in the guide or video. Okay, so the next step, after you done all the checklist, uh, the next step is going to locate the downloaded file that you placed. If they are in .zip format, extract them. If they require mounting, right click the file and select mount. Okay, in some case they are not going to be the same. In my case, the setup file is came in .zip files. Uh, so I can just go ahead and extract the file and install them. But if they come in mount file, You need to mount them and it will function like a flash drive. They will appear like here. uh, yeah. And okay, so you go ahead and launch the installation. Here it says start.exe, so you just go ahead and click start. Okay, so the first thing you see is that you need to select the installation language, and after you finish choosing the installation language, you can just go ahead and click next. Okay, so after you click next, you see this page. You can go ahead and select the components to install, check all or adjust as needed. After you check your components, you go ahead and click next and agree to EULA and security information. If you don't accept or don't agree to some of them, you cannot install them. Okay, so you can just go ahead and read all of them, or you can just skim and just click accept. Okay, so the installation process will start, and this installation may take some times, but you can step away while it runs. You can just leave it be. Okay, so uh, after installation, you it is a good idea to restart your computer. You should see 5 shortcut appear on your desktop. If not, you visit the installation setup and uh, modify your system and try to resolve any issue. But if you have any problem, you can contact me via email or leave the comment below. Okay, so the last step is not the last. I mean, the next step is going to be the installation of the S7 PLC SIM. Uh, the S7 PLC SIM step is quite similar to the above step, that tier portal step is almost the same. So you can just select the language, click next. After you selected, you click next, ensure that the language is correct. I believe that even if you choose one language, they will just uh, install this language for you anyway. So that's not the big problem. So the next one is going to be the option that you can just check if you want them, or if you don't want some of them, you can just uh, uncheck them and click next to start installation. It like that. So you need to stare at the progress bar for a while. Yeah, so it takes some time, but when the installation finish, you can just restart your computer, and there should be a shortcut that says S7 PLC Sim version 17. After that, there will be the configure of WinCC Unify. WinCC Unify is like an HMI simulation tool. Uh, you can follow this step to configure it. Okay, so the first step is you can choose to create a new certificate or use an existing one, or maybe you can install a certificate later. If you select to create a new certificate, you can just uh, assign the name for them, any names you like, but you need to remember what name did you sign it for this certificate. After some time you want to uh, verify something, you can just select an existing certificate. It will I can ensure you that it will remember you uh, what the previous certificate is, and it will automatically select an existing certificate for you. Okay, so you can just follow the prompt to complete the setup, and like click next. You can keep the existing configuration, or you can use the configuration download with your portal, which require you to have the real HMI, I believe, but you can do that later. You can just keep its existing configuration. Okay, so After you choose and follow all the prompt that required, you can just now wait for them to start. You can by clicking accept, yeah, like this, they will start to be showing that they are in work. After some time they will say they are done, but sometimes you can uh, find that it is not selected, because in my case it show as not selected because I had already configured the WinCC Unify, so I can just go ahead and do nothing. Okay, so that is congratulations on successfully downloading and installing Tier Portal and WinCC Unify. And final note, thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing. If you have any question or run into any problems, feel free to reach out via mail or leave a comment down below. Welcome to the world of the PLC programming. Thank you.